friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the last week of the very cheap Scott paper deals over at Walgreens. So when I say it's the last week, I mean it, because if you look at the tag at the store, if you look bottom right-hand corner, see how it says good through April the 27th? Meaning this Saturday, that is it, to spend $35 on Scott products to get back a $10 register reward. Or alternatively, if you do this as a curbside pickup, for a lot of us, it's just a little bit easier to do it that way. You'll get $10 back in Walgreens cash, but those two will not stack. You'll get either or if you're doing it in store or online. So I thought for this video, I'd go through mathematically two different deals with the Scott's 1000 and then just the regular Scott to find the best deals for us right up until Saturday. If you've been sleeping on this deal or if you wish to do it again, yes, you can. You have a booster. You can do it twice. You might not have the digital coupons to accompany, but you can do this deal more than once. We're going to be looking to do this first one as a curbside pickup because we can use a coupon discount code or a discount code with to save a bit more money. So I think you could see how it's a little bit more advantageous. Curbside pickup, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, left box with the red check. That's how we're ordering it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is known as a curbside pickup. So this is deal number one. Have your best friend loaded, which is the 8-pack when you spend $40. This is a one-time use, so hopefully you didn't use it already this week. For this basket, if you look at the Scott's 1000, there's 4 rolls and 12 rolls. The 12 rolls, if you hit it, is actually $9.99. So just be mindful of that. So throwing 4 of them into a basket, and this week they're back to $9.99. I think last week they were $13.99. So hey, $39.96. And we're also going to throw in one of these paper towels for $5. Load these 2 digital coupons. That's $1 off of the paper towel and $1 off of the Scott's 1000. Over on ShopMeum, if you might have clipped it, you can apply for $1 back for the toilet paper. Unfortunately, we're only grabbing 1 paper towel, so you can't apply for that second one another time, but it's an extra $1 back. So you got to make sure that when you're doing your checkout that the cashier actually gives you a receipt. So please ask them to do it through a register, not through the handheld, so you can get an actual receipt. So just to show you here, we have our $2 Scott coupons coming off, and if you use the code WAG10, it's an extra $3.90. So doing this specific deal is a bit more advantageous to do it as a curbside pickup, so you could save almost $4. Okay, so $44.96, $3.90 melting off, free curbside pickup, our tax, and $2 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $41.52, and you're getting back $18.44 in Walgreens cash. Use your debit card to pay down the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster, and the promotion for this is to spend $35 to get back $10. So this is just a great deal if you love the Scott's 1000. No IBOTTA rebates to talk about either. But if you've been like, I don't really want to do this deal, guys, the problem with this is these paper products will never be this cheap, not for a long time. So this is why I would stock up. Deal number 2, again, you need your best friend loaded, which is the 8-pack when you spend $40. Have this booster loaded, and for this basket we're going to put 2 of the paper towels for $7.50 in there, and we're also going to throw in 9 of the toilet paper, so that's 11 paper products altogether to get us past that $40 mark. We need our 2 best friends loaded, which is the $1 off the toilet paper and $1 off the paper towel. And ShopMeum has dollar rebates for both, so you're going to photograph your receipt and apply for both of those, and it should be no problems, no issues with the ShopMeum app. Okay, so just to show you this, unfortunately I could not get a discount code to come off for me this morning, but my $2 coupon's melting off right there. The overall basket is $42.50, free curbside pickup, tax, and $2 melting off. $43.05 with your debit card, and you're getting back $18. And then you're photographing your receipt for $2 back from the ShopMeum app. So it makes it not a bad little deal. It's like a $1.82 per paper product for $11, which is not the worst deal. So if you need to stock up, make it happen this week or before Saturday. If you missed it, I made a video yesterday, easy curbside deals if this curbside shopping is your thing. Watch yesterday's video. I will link it right here. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.